Hello, my sweet friends. Yes, I'm talking about clutter again. Clutter, the bane of your existence. If you're watching this little shorty, you probably have clutter. So let's attack it 15 minutes at a time. Let's make a plan and let's go for it. If you're following my system, you know that on Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, if you're an at-home homemaker, you work for 15 minutes on clutter. If you're a payroll homemaker, on Saturday you work for an hour on clutter. You do that by decluttering, throwing away the trash, putting away the things that don't belong in the spot you're working on, and giving away those things you don't need, love, use. That's it. It's very simple. So be hard on yourself. Be self-disciplined and say, you know what? I don't really love this. I don't really need this. I don't use this. I'm going to bless someone else. Make it a great day.